This video is part of tutorial to help you create an AI call assistant. We use Voice over IP VoIP technology to create an AI soft phone. This video is about media handlers and media connectors. On the internet, audio and video streams are sent and received by various devices that use different formats. In order to manage audio streams properly, we need to introduce a concept called media handlers. What is media handler? A media handler is the base building block in Ozeki VoIP SIP SDK that represents any source or destination of audio or video data. What is media connector? A media connector is used to connect one media handler's output directly to another's input, enabling data flow between media sources and targets. To get started, download the media handler example. Zip from the tutorial page, which contains the full Visual Studio solution used throughout this tutorial. Right-click the downloaded zip file and select Extract All to unpack it. Then navigate into the extracted project folder to find the solution file and source files. To build the example, open the downloaded solution in Visual Studio. Then use the Build menu to select Build Solution and compile the project. Visual Studio will compile the source code and produce a runnable executable that you can then run and debug. To test the example, start it under the debugger by pressing F5 to launch the application. Type a menu option number into the console to run your chosen media handler combination and read the output to confirm it worked correctly. The key source code shows the microphone and MP3 to speaker function, which creates a microphone, an MP3 stream playback, and a speaker, then uses a single media connector to connect both audio sources to the same speaker, mixing them together. Calling start on all three devices begins playback, and the program waits for the user to press enter before disposing of every object to release the underlying audio resources. To send media through an active call, you need to attach your microphone to the call, and you need to attach your speaker to the call. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to use media handlers in Ozeki VoIP SIP SDK, and be sure to check out our other videos to continue building your soft phone application.